If you're wondering how to use ShopWired for multiple storefronts, you're in the right place. We'll walk through everything you need to know in this quick, no-nonsense guide. Whether you're running a single store or managing several, ShopWired lets you build multiple storefronts under one account. Sounds great, right? But let's dive into the details to see if it's really the solution you need. First, let's talk about how ShopWired actually handles multiple storefronts. Unlike some platforms that require multiple accounts or separate billing, ShopWired allows you to manage different stores from one dashboard. This makes it easy to scale without juggling logins or paying for additional subscriptions. You get a central hub for all your stores, which saves time and simplifies management. Next thing, the platform offers seamless product management across different storefronts. You can manage all your products from one place and push them to any storefront you choose. But there's a catch. While this sounds efficient, the system can sometimes feel a bit rigid if you're trying to customize specific storefronts for different markets. You'll need to be comfortable working within the framework ShopWired sets, which doesn't always offer the level of personalization some competitors do. The third thing to consider is the user interface. ShopWired has a solid UI, but if you're running multiple stores, you might find it a bit overwhelming. The navigation can be a little cluttered when you've got multiple storefronts going on, especially as your business grows. It's not a deal breaker, but you might find yourself wishing for a more streamlined experience when you're toggling between different stores. Another important point is the pricing. ShopWired offers different pricing tiers depending on how many storefronts you're managing, but the pricing can add up quickly if you're looking to run a lot of stores. They offer a 14-day free trial, which is useful, but be prepared for potential additional costs if you want to use certain features across all storefronts. This is where some competitors, like Shopify, might come out ahead with their flexible pricing models, especially if you want to manage a large number of stores without hitting a pricing wall. Now, let's get into the alternative options. While ShopWired does a decent job with multiple storefronts, there are other platforms that might serve you better if you're looking for more customization or scalability. Take BigCommerce, for example. It's known for its multi-store functionality with more powerful tools for segmentation and customization. Or Shopify, with its user-friendly interface and better third-party app integration. Both are strong contenders, and depending on your specific needs, one of them might be a better fit for your goals. Finally, before we wrap up, I want to mention something special. If you're still interested in ShopWired, we have an exclusive, extended free trial available to our viewers. But if you're after a platform with a bit more flexibility and control, I'll be dropping some links to some of those amazing alternatives, also with free trials, that might be a better choice for managing multiple storefronts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out those exclusive offers through our link in the description.